Do you feel like you're missing out on the best ways to use your Monzo account? Monzo has grown from a simple prepaid card to a full, regulated bank, constantly rolling out features that genuinely simplify your financial life. But if you're just using it for basic spending, you are leaving a lot of value on the table. Based on my everyday experience, these are the Monzo features you absolutely should be leveraging in 2026. Moneybag Easy Budgeting with Pots. If you're still using spreadsheets or another app to track your saving goals, stop. Monzo Pots are the game changer here. Saving pots, I use them for everything from my emergency fund to my next holiday money. The crucial part? You can enable goal setting. It shows you your progress towards the target amount and the deadline. This visual feedback keeps me motivated and on track. Locked pots, for money I absolutely cannot touch, like my annual self-assessment tax fund, I use a locked pot. Set an unlocked date, and you literally cannot move the money until then. It's perfect for forcing discipline. Bills pots, this is the big one. Direct debit or standing order coming out. Assign it to a bills pot. Monzo will pay the bill from the pot, leaving your main balance cleaner. I transfer my total monthly bill amount into this pot on payday, and forget about it. My main balance is then my true safe-to-spend amount. Money with Wings Interest and Investments. Monzo isn't just a spending app anymore, it's a platform for your wealth. Easy access savings, you need to be using the Monzo savings options. Instead of just letting your emergency funds sit in a standard pot earning nothing, put it into a Monzo-partnered Easy Access Savings account. The process is seamless, it still looks like a pot, but it accrues interest daily. I get monthly payouts directly into that pot, which is a nice little boost. In-app investments, for a long-term approach, I appreciate the simplicity of Monzo's investment options. You can start small, automatically funding them from a pot, and the app gives you clear choices based on your risk tolerance. It's not the most advanced platform, but for hands-off, set it and forget it investing, it's incredibly straightforward. Airplane travel and spending. This is where Monzo truly shines compared to legacy banks. Fee-free spending abroad, I travel a lot, and this is non-negotiable. Monzo gives you the MasterCard exchange rate with zero Monzo fees for spending worldwide. No more mental math about foreign transaction fees. Instant notifications. Every time I pay for something, I get a notification instantly with the transaction amount in both the local currency and GBP. This prevents overspending and is a fantastic security check. Shared tabs. Split the bill. This is a lifesaver when eating out with friends. When one person pays, you tap the transaction, choose split the cost, and send requests to other Monzo users. They get a notification, and they pay you back instantly. No more awkward chasing or using separate apps. Mobile phone security and control. Finally, the features that give you peace of mind and total control. Freezing your card, lost your card or left it in a restaurant? Don't panic and call a helpline. Just open the app and hit freeze card. It's instantly disabled. Find it in your pocket? Unfreeze it just as fast. I've had to use this multiple times, and the instant control is priceless. Advanced spending categories. Monzo automatically categorizes your spending, groceries, transport, eating out. But you can tap any transaction and recategorize it if the app gets it wrong, or even add your own custom tags. This fine-tunes my monthly spending reports, giving me an accurate view of where my money actually goes. These features, when used together, turn Monzo from a basic bank account into a comprehensive financial control center. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.